The Maya Bay on Phi Phi Island was closed for 2 months, from number 1 August to 30 September. It will reopen on number 1 October. So I decided to visit Maya Bay and other places in Phi Phi Island. How is trip going now? When we arrived at the pier, they served us with tea, coffee, and a light breakfast. After that, it was time to a briefing by tour guide before the trip begins, and we get excited. I went to Phi Phi Lake, Phi Phi Don, and Khai Island by speedboat. The tour operator I joined with is Chummy Andaman, one I like to recommend. It's a small tour operator, but I really like their energy and their service mind. We will depart from Boat Lagoon Pier, which is one of the top 5 best piers in Phuket, with a good vibe in the morning there. The speedboat will head to Maya Bay first. It's the highlight of this program. Enjoy the survey around Maya Bay, and it's a white sand beach, which is like a powder. This bay became famous because the movie named The Beach was filmed there. The famous actor from Hollywood is Leonardo DiCaprio, and the power of social media makes tourists ensure they don't miss the Phi Phi Island trip and a visit to Maya Bay. Then we went to Billet Lagoon, which is also a highlight of this trip. The activity you can do in the lagoon include swimming or rent a long-tail boat to sightsee the lagoon, take photos, and make great memories. Not far from Billet Lagoon, we will sightsee the Viking Cave. These places are priority for birds' nests. After that, the speedboat will head to Phi Phi Don for lunch. The lunch is Thai buffet. We have lunch in front of the Tonsai Bay. The name restaurant is Chao Kok Restaurant. Before we leave Phi Phi Island, we will do snorkeling for about 40 or 50 minutes. To see colorful fish and coral reef, we will take 45 minutes to travel from Phi Phi Island to Khai Island, a small island where we'll take 60-minute breaks before going back to the Boat Lagoon Pier in Phuket. For the entire day, I was really impressed with their service. They are a small tour operator, but they are full of energy and have a great service mind. If you would like to join this trip with the tour operator named Chummy Andaman, I recommend them and can give you some options for the Phi Phi Island tour. I will send you the link for the trip. And if you have an inquiry, don't hesitate to get more information from us. That's all for today. Have a great day. See you in next clip. Bye.